We're getting a better picture of what our winter could look like. I know we're in fall, but let's talk winter. Forecasters with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration say a classic El Nino winter is ahead, which for the Northwest tends to mean a dry and warm winter. We hear that and a lot of people get excited about the possibility of a little bit of a warmer winter, not necessarily a drier winter. We need the rain.
Right.
And we're in a deficit too.
Right, yeah. So we definitely need the rain. And you know, one thing I will say is that as we talk about these outlooks, this is general. We're looking at ocean temperatures and we're kind of talking overall here. But what I will say is that what we're seeing this year, and this is a big conversation in the weather community right now, is that ocean temperatures are at unprecedented warm levels. So we're anticipating a typical El Nino winter, but we could see things that we have not seen before just because of how warm these ocean temperatures are. So I've been talking to Rich Marriott about it. This is something he's very in touch with, and he says, and what a lot of people are saying is just, we're going to have to wait and see what happens. But for now, this is what the Climate Prediction Center is anticipating. Here's a look at what we're thinking for October, November, and December. Taking a closer look at the Northwest, below average in the precipitation department. Now let's take a look at temperatures through that same time frame. This is overall speaking above average temperatures up here in the Northwest. That being said, we will certainly see rain. This is not a hard and fast rule. This does not mean we will see drastic swings. This is generally speaking a little bit above, a little bit below. But satellite and radar is certainly showing that we do have some rain out there. So we will see rain these next couple of months. We're just thinking generally as far as overall averages are concerned. But satellite and radar showing this low that's really dipping down south of us. So we are seeing some light rain and even some thunderstorms in the Northwest. A lot of this is staying down in the southern part of our area. So most of it is staying south of Seattle right now. But through the last few hours, we did see some thunder, some instability down south. It looks like some lightning strikes down south. Rain totals so far for the day showing that this is favoring southern areas. Tacoma has picked up 1/1400ths of an inch of rain. You're the lucky winner for the day in the rain department. But I want to show you this wide look here. We can see some rain down south of us and then a couple bands of rain move through tonight into tomorrow morning, but then it clears pretty quickly tomorrow. And this is really minimal, honestly. We're not going to see a lot of impactful rain for tomorrow. So let's take a closer look. Overnight tonight, it looks like a light band of rain picks up. This is just a couple sprinkles. This is not anything major. Same thing into tomorrow morning, a band of rain up to the north that pushes down south, and then we see some clearing in the afternoon. So it's actually going to be a really nice day tomorrow. The stronger rain chances push in starting Tuesday morning. Looks like Tuesday and Wednesday will be wet days for us. Temperatures right now are in the 50s, and as we head into tomorrow, we're going to see daytime highs right around that 60-degree mark. So while it will be mostly dry tomorrow, it will be cool. In fact, if you are heading out to the Seahawks game, it looks like a little bit of cloud coverage to start your day, but we'll actually see dry conditions, maybe even a little bit of sunshine peeking out by the afternoon. 7-day forecast shows that we are going to hang on to those cool temperatures. In fact, we are going to see even cooler temperatures dropping down to around the 50-degree mark later on this week. Stay with us. We'll be right back.